Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use AI mode in Google Chrome browser. Here you can go and normally we search anything, for example how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Then here you can see we got the result. So now if you want to use Google Chrome AI mode, then you need to open this one, new tab, then select this one. After that here you can type anything, for example how to create a YouTube channel, tell me in few steps. After that press enter. You can also search anything by voice. You can also upload the files by clicking here. Here you can see we got the result. So also it has recommended us a video from YouTube channel.